Hey guys, what's up? My name is Nadine and I am the owner of luxxo.com. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wrap a head wrap. So if you guys want to know how to wrap a head wrap, keep watching.
Slow down, cause I know I'ma give you one time more. Keep me on the side, cause I know I'ma give you two times. Oh, I feel tired of put me in a box. I feel tired of keep me in a box. I'm just trying to get in my vibe. Oh yeah, and they're just trying to kill my vibe. Oh no 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 no, I'm just trying to get in my vibe. Oh yeah, and they're just trying to kill my vibe. Oh no 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 no.
And the last way I'm going to show you is if you have an updo, like if you have a curly do or something like that and you want to wear it up, this is the way that I would do it. This would work for a curly wig, a straight wig, not so much. But basically you're going to flip your head and put this on. So give me a second.
I'm just trying to get in my vibe. I'm just trying to get in my vibe. I'm just trying to get in my vibe.
So I look crazy because obviously this is not the right style to do this one with, but y'all get what I mean. So if you had a curly style or if you did an updo, you could do it like this.
I'm just trying to get in my vibe. I'm just trying to get in my vibe. Oh yeah, and they're just trying to kill my vibe. Oh no 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 no, I'm just trying to get in my vibe. Oh yeah, and they're just trying to kill my vibe. Oh no 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 no, I'm just trying to get in my vibe.
So for this one, there's a couple different ways you can do it. Like one way is that to do it like this and then just roll these up and tuck them at the back.
They're just trying to kill my
and roll it up.
That's my vibe.
Next, another way to do this one, tie it one more time, just so that way it's nice and stable, nice and tight, and tuck it in. Like that.
I'm just trying to get in my vibe.
Two more like that. Again, imagine that this is curls up here. And then another way that you can do it is if you leave it like that, then mixing in the method for my favorite way to wear it is to just twist this around and tuck it in, twist it around, and tuck it in. So you get this cute little knot there. And again, curls up here, you know? And that's it. Those are a few ways that you guys can wrap your wraps. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you try any of these wrap styles, definitely go ahead and post them on Instagram or on Twitter, and you can hashtag LuxXO or tag me at luxxo.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was useful. Share it with a friend. Like it if you enjoyed it. And comment down below what's the next video I should do. Let me know. See you guys next time. Bye.
I'm just tryna get in my bag.